and thank you for tuning in. Today I'm putting together a fresh flower presentation bouquet. I start by prepping all my flowers. I'm going to remove the guard petals from the roses, and then I'm just wiring one rose, for example, but you can wire all the roses. This right here, I've got a 26 gauge wire. I'm putting just a little bit of the end into the blossom, and then I'll wind it on down the stem. You can use a 22 or 24 gauge wire, might be a little bit more sturdy than the 26, but you could do this to help support the rose if it does start wilting because it's out of water. It's going to hold that head up for you so it looks nice and fresh. If you have a thick enough wire, you can also shape or direct the head of the rose there. If you wanted it to face a certain way, just give it a gentle tug on the wire and it should hold its form the way that you want it to. So like I said, I didn't wire all the roses, but I'm removing all the guard petals. And I took all the leaves off the sunflowers, but I'm leaving the leaves on the roses because I wanted it to fill in the bulk of the bouquet up the top there. And I know that my stems on the roses are long enough that there are not going to be leaves where the handle is. So there's no slipping at the handle and there's no worry of getting a stain on your hands from leaves being in there. So I'm going to design this right in my arms. I started off with an artificial fern as my base. You could put a few more pieces. I only did one and I'll follow up with a few more there too. And then I'm just going to kind of stagger the roses and the sunflowers on down using the baby's breath to fill in. I do have some artificial hydrangea that I'll put more towards the base of it. But I kind of wanted a lighter feel out at the end, so I didn't want to put the bulky hydrangeas all the way at the top. My color palette is primary colors, you can guess. So I've got the reds, blues, yellows of primary colors. I found that the easiest way to do a presentation style bouquet is right in your hands. Stand it in front of a mirror, and then that way you can get that exact placement that you want. It's a little hard to do it off to the side or on the table because you can't see how it's being carried. Once you have the bouquet arranged just like you'd like it, I like to do a collar of greenery around the base. You can use, I have some artificial seeded eucalyptus here, or you can use lemon leaves around the base and just give it that nice solid collar right where you'd be grabbing it. You can follow up with a large bow, maybe with some long tails on it so you get that flowy look. I like to keep the stems natural and not wrapped up. But you could use do a stem wrap on it if you'd like, but I do like the natural look on it. If you are using any artificial greenery, just make sure that the wires are not pokey. You want to keep them down and not sharp, I guess. So just make sure when you're trimming that you're careful not to leave any pokey ends if you have natural stems and if you're using artificial in with your fresh there. But there we go. There's a fresh flower presentation bouquet. Thank you so much for watching.